Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you along to Ross. They have officially opened as of I believe this week, and I just wanted to show you guys what they have. A lot of the stuff is actually pretty much cleaned out, but I wanted to show you guys anyways. I am a size 6 and my daughter's a size 6 as well, so I'm gonna look at that. I'm gonna look at some baby stuff and we'll see. Found these are by Steve Madden. They're 6.5. I'm usually a 6, but gosh, these are so pretty. I'm debating on getting them, but they are a little pricey. They're $40. They're not on sale. A lot of their stuff are on clearance, but not these. But look at this, these are gorgeous. So maybe we'll see. I'm not sure about these. I am debating on getting them. They look like this, and I think they're really cute. I'm gonna try them on. If I find a 6, I most likely will get a 6. This is 6.5 for $8. That's a really good find. So let me know, what do you guys think? I also think they're really cute, but I don't think I'm gonna pick them up. They are $13.99, which I think is a really great price. Found these. I'm debating on getting them. I wish they were in a pink, but these are only it's $9.99. Look at these guys, $5.99. I think these are pretty cute. I'm debating on picking them up. I don't even know what size these are. These are 5.5. Sometimes 5.5 fits me as long as it doesn't have a strap in the back. So maybe, we'll see. So all the purses are pretty much cleaned out. They only have these right here, which are not my style. I kind of like this one just for like a weekend bag, but other than that, I don't think I'm gonna be picking it up. So I really like that gold chair with the blush pink. I think that's really pretty. And I really like this one. I'm debating on actually getting it. This table right here is so pretty. This dress, I'm trying to find the tag on it, see how much it is. It is so pretty, guys. The detail and the quality is so amazing. So this romper right here is $5.99. So what do you guys think about this one? I'm debating on picking up for my daughter. This one is $8.99. What do you think? Do you want it? Okay. This one right here, this is $8.99. I'm going to get this for my daughter. Think about this, I actually really like it, but it's not on clearance. It's $9.99, and to be honest with you, I can make this from the Dollar Tree. I'm thinking of getting the white one. We will see.